Okay, yeah, guys. Welcome to a new week, I guess. I finished the RAG course successfully yesterday. Today is the 31st of March 2025. So I have completed that course, and I have completed that, and I am like made it into its own PY files. So what I like to do is like usually when I have things in notebooks, Jupyter notebooks and Python notebooks, so like .ipynb, what I do is I take the functions, I take the code, and I split it into different files and different functions, which I import later. So kind of like creating my own custom library, and then I'm able to utilize that rather than recreating the code again and again. So it gets kind of easier, and I don't have to use my brain a lot in coding. I can just make stuff, right? I am also enjoying the part of the coding because I'm able to like solve the problem here and now. I am starting the fast AI course, so yeah, I'll just try to make some stuff with the fast AI with fast AI library and documentation, and yeah, let's see how that works. Okay guys, so I have figured out how to make Qt work. So my initial idea was to train an LLM on a big corpus of text, so basically like 3 or 4 dermatological textbooks, and then feed the information to an LLM, so either fine-tuning or an RAG pipeline, which I have just created, RAG pipeline, which I have made modular. So it is like really easy for me to make it now because it's a one-time setup thing which I have done. And now I am also going to be using image classification. So this was my initial idea, classifying using the the text classifier. I know there's way more than the RAG pipeline. The RAG pipeline is just to give a confirmation. It's not the final thing. It doesn't even add up to the main thing. The main thing is actually a list of symptoms labeled with a class. So for example, if I am classifying melanoma, a common skin cancer, so the image classification part can be done by the computer. Now the symptoms I'll have to put into a text file or any other corpus, and using natural language processing and tools like natural language toolkit, NLTK, or Spacey or some other libraries, all I can do is using FastAI's text, because I didn't know I had to use FastAI. I was just lost in this part. I can use the symptoms, collate them, make a prediction out of that, take the image, make a prediction out of that, take the list of predictions. So that's how neural network works. The last layer has all the list of predictions. 10 neurons at the last layer means 10 possible classifications. Take those 10 possible classifications from both the parts, aggregate them, and get the maximum. And that's how Qt is going to work. Anyways, I'm going to get back to working. Hey guys, so eating ice cream, don't mind me. It's 2:40 currently PM. Obviously been coding a lot, learning like a shit. Like today I've learned like too much. I have built like crazy stuff. Live demo of Qt is now there on the website. So that is qtsfera.netlify.app or bit.ly/Qt. So you can find website on either of those links, and there's going to be a test section on the website, and you can go there. You can check out Qt how it's working. That's only like a beta version with 3 diseases, 1 normal. Right now I have trained. Other than that, I did my first pull-up yesterday. I forgot to record and I just did it for fun. I have a pull-up bar there. Anyways, yeah, I'm getting back to work. Hey guys, so today 2nd April 2025, been developing the Qt app, and then yesterday, since last night 9:30 till 1:30 in the morning, and then again waking up and then working from 8 o'clock until right now, not even 8, 7:30 until now, which is 10:15. I'm still not able to get the API call stuff working on that, which is kind of annoying considering that it's taking a lot of time, and I just want a fully functioning app. But I can, like, once the API is actually working, then I can just push it through. I don't need to think much. I'll deploy the API, and when I deploy the app, I'll just put the API code there. And it's a public API, so like no access tokens, anything, it's fine. So yeah, sending it So the model is like a one-time hard job. Like once you finish it off, just deploy your API and use that. So yeah, I'm just stuck in that phase of like continuously trying new things. Here from the B-roll you can see I recorded like the laptop screen at like 12 o'clock. But anyways, I'm going to get back to coding and see what happens. I don't want to hurt my brain anymore, but it has come to this, so yeah. Okay, yeah guys, so I had 12 hours work day today, so around 7 hours I believe, or 6 hours, or no, around 6 hours on like Expo Go, and so like that was the main coding app. So yeah, so like 6 to 7 hours I spent just making that UI work and like making API calls. So now on the prototype version of the app, which is not public yet, run the AI successfully on the vision part. Text part I still have to add, but it is a step forward in the right direction. I am being a little aggressive right now, putting in 10-12 hours days. Like today, along with like learning about APIs and implementing it, and like all like the extra database stuff and research I had to do, today would be close to a 10-hour day. So I'm really happy about that. 2 hours more, I'll be able to finish it off in just a little bit work here and there. It's not like I'm aiming for 12 hours. I'm aiming to complete full version of Qt Vera out on the Play Store by 11th April, which I know is kind of ambitious, but I will make it happen. And the reason I'm able to say that is because I'm going to be putting this clip on YouTube, right? And so yeah, I have to make it work now. Anyways, I'll be going back to coding. Just thought I'll give you the little update that I have successfully made the API running, and you do not want to know how much of a problem I had with that. Anyways, yeah, going to go to the course. Hey guys, so today is the 3rd of April 2025. I don't know why I keep saying that, but anyways, now I'm working on the text part. The image part is doing really well. I've been like testing it, so like I already trained it, I'm testing it right now, and I think so yeah, it's trained over 4 diseases, 1 normal, so that's in total 5, right? So I'm able to like test this on like Wikipedia images and all that. Now I'm working on the textual part. So the way I tackled text is that I took a dermatology textbook from like Google or something, passed it into my RAG pipeline, which I did make modular. I talked about that in the last video, but I did make that modular, and so because of that, this thing, what do you call it? I could use it anytime I want. So I just duplicated the folder of the modularity, renamed it, put it into the Qt Vera AI folder, and then I used the RAG pipeline to generate me like the specific paragraph from the PDF. It took me over like 20 minutes to like do the embeddings, right? So in the meantime, I was just like playing the guitar, because like I barely get to play it nowadays. I know it's like a second level priority, not even second, third level priority right now, but I still make time for it whenever I can. Anyways, yeah, I did that, and now I'm getting like the paragraphs of text. Now I passed that paragraph of text into ChatGPT, and with a little prompting, I made it give like one-liners. So like if you have worked with text data before, you know about IMDb reviews. This is a positive review, this is a negative review. So like that, but instead it's like 10 words, 20 word list of 10 word, 20 word sentence of just like different symptoms you might be experiencing. Push that into the LLM, not put into the LLM. Yeah, I made that into a list. So I made the sentences, put it into a list, and after that I put that list, I filtered through the list. I used not even OS, I just used Python to like make files with each file having just like one sentence. So it just made that. I'm not sure how big that is. So for 100 files of like just one sentence, it took like 5.44 KB, right? So very less, really cool. Now I'm going to use FastAI to train the text one, and then I'll implement that into the app, which hopefully will not take much time, because now I solved the problem once and for all yesterday. One sleepless night not going to kill me. Maybe today also I'll work through the night, because you can see over here, launch day is 11th April. Qt Vera needs to go live by 11th April, because 11th April is when my school is starting, and I cannot afford to work on Qt Vera and 11th last minute work along with my studies. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to get back to work, and yeah, I'll probably record some B-roll so you can see me doing it. Okay, quick update. Got 3 things to accompany me. I just went in the middle for like 5-10 minutes to do some other work, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, yeah, so I was getting to editing now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. It's gonna be one of those late nights. It's already like 10:30. Sleep probably around 12. Finish editing this video. Probably make some background music as well. Yeah, let's do that, and then tomorrow we'll get back to working on Cutest Vera. Quick update. Why is my voice so low? God. Anyways, quick update. The text part is working really nicely, 96-97% accuracy. I am super hyped about all this, even though it's only like 5 classes. This is a brilliant leap forward in the right direction. Tomorrow I'll work on implementation of the text part so that I can finish the app build, and I'll make the UI components real functional. Try to connect with Superbase or Firebase, whatever. One of them. Maybe this, I'll finish it off tomorrow only, yeah. And then I'll work on like uploading to Google Play, because I don't care how crappy it is. If it works, I need to test. I need time to test. 11th April is too close. School will start. I need to do some more testing. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna stay quiet. My brother and sister are sleeping behind me. Anyways, yeah, peace. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week.